Hi guys, it's Joe again from Untitled Car Centre. I want to show you something really special. This car, this 730 Diesel M Sport, has the reversing assist. Now, if you've never seen it, if you've never used it, you're going to be wowed by this next bit. Have a look at this. Come inside. Right, now that we're in the car, the 730 DM Sport, this has got the reversing assist. And I want to show you what it does. Right now I'm parked around a few cars, it's a bit tight. I'm going to put it in drive and I'm going to start turning into this twist and turning road. I'm pretending this is a car park, going past other cars, a very tight doorway. Call it indoor car parking on a second floor. And then I'm going to go around this corner, doing a turn, and I'm going to look for a parking spot. And I found one, it's there, just there. As I go in, there's a wall on one side, like most car park spaces, and there's a car there. I've parked up, I've gone inside the shops, done my thing, I've come back again, and there's a few twists and turns. I'm going to have to do that manoeuvre all over again just to get out because I can't do a 3-point turn here, for example. I put it in reverse, I press the reversing assist, I let go my foot brake and I accelerate slowly. I don't touch anything. It'll take me out of this car park spot next to the car and next to the wall. It'll take me around this bend without doing anything. It's just doing it. It's crazy what it's doing right now. But I'm loving it because I'm stress-free. I'm going to go for this very tight doors. No hesitation. And it'll take me right back next to that white Mercedes where I started off. And it'll turn right to the perfect. And I've not touched it once. Now, if that isn't anything short of amazing, I don't know what is. Now, okay, I'm a good driver, but there's a lot of people out there who just wouldn't be able to manoeuvre that the same way I did. So I'm going to drive in a little bit faster this time. Don't drive this fast, by the way. I'm just going to show you for it. So I'm back on the spot again. I'm going to stop, put it in reverse, flick that button on, let go of the steering, just accelerate slowly, let the car do its thing. It gets me away from the wall. It doesn't hit anything. It's just... There's no, I don't think I could have done that manoeuvre quicker myself. I really don't. I would use that option. I would use it almost every time if I was in a tight spot. That is absolutely unbelievable. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.